So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Magic Data 199 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. So dito guys, is ida-dial lang natin is *123 number sign or hashtag and then call. And then after nun guys, dito is ang pipiliin lang natin is yung number 7. So yun yung magic. So type 7 then tap send. And dito guys, pipiliin natin is yung number 1 which is yung data. Type 1 and then send. And after yan guys, piliin lang natin dito yung number 2. So kung makita nyo naman, yun yung Magic Data 199. So meron na siyang 6 GB and take note, no expiration ang ating Magic Data kapag ito yung na-register natin. So ita-type lang natin is yung number 2 kasi yung Magic Data 199 is nasa number 2. Then tap send. And ayan guys, get 6 GB Magic Data for 199. So, next expiration, nakadepende din sa inyo kung kailan nyo uubusin yung inyong 6 GB data. So, para ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Magic Data 199 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.